Okay, anyway, any other questions, anything?
Let's start.
Yes, Suresh bhai.
Rambai, same as Bharti. My reaction time between listening and singing uh, is very slow, so I can't catch up with the tabla. I can't match it as quickly as I should. I've got slight problem there. My really reaction time is very slow.
This month, let us focus on that reaction time.
Yeah.
Uh, so which is your song, Suresh bhai?
जिंदगी देने वाले सुन.
See, a song really cannot be slower than that, right? I mean, because faster song के लिए it is more difficult to do with the tabla. For example, इतना ना मुझसे तो प्यार बड़ा. So अगर उस किस्म का गाना है तो उसको fit करना थोड़ा ये है. But जिंदगी देने वाले तो it's already a fairly a slow song. So I think it will come. It will come, Suraj bhai. Don't worry. And this is an opportunity to, I feel, to challenge yourself and do it. If you want, you can try with a headset. If if I mean, if you think that, but I think hearing is not the problem, right?
No, hearing is not a
It's
problem.
not the problem. It is just
Can
that your
hear
mind is you're
Yeah,
you're you're reacting late.
yeah.
Yeah,
Uh, when
yeah.
I hear,
या
reaction
ये
time is
ताल में
very
एक
late.
बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है सुरेश भाई. सी ताल में क्या होता है कि एवरीबडी सी ताल में क्या होता है कि यू द माइंड इज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट कि यहाँ पे शुरू होने वाला है. सो यू वेट फॉर द ताल का साउंड टू कम.
Yeah, yeah.
So before you start that, and by the time you hear the tal ka sound, and if you sing, so you already lost the thing. So you're not confident कि ताल बजने वाले से आई विल सिंग एंड ताल बजेगा. उसके लिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि हाथ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So because your hand goes up and down and your hand knows that it's going to hit your leg, and then now you can sing. Yesterday probably you did not see जब ये कौन सा गाना वो आजकल तेरे आई एम यूजिंग माई हैंड हेवीली बिकॉज इन सर्टन प्लेसेस उसका बीट वो फास्ट शुरू होता है एंड देन आई से आई वांट दैट सपोर्ट. So so I do it for those a couple of seconds, and then I remove my hand, and then my hand is doing all sorts of things. But at that point, I need the support because I know that उसमें beat fast आता है and then गाना शुरू हो जाता है फिर से. So I need the support. So we all have that situation, but at that time, I'm not depending on hearing the sound of the drum. So I'm just hearing my hand, which is already synced with the drum, and then I'm singing to my hand, and that's all it is. And I'm confident your drum will match because I already matched my hand with the drum. So think of this month as a challenge for you to do it. कितना difficult हो सकता है सुरेश? But there is only two lines in that song. जिंदगी देने right? उसमें तीन चार लाइन तो है. How difficult can it be, right? So don't try about. So see, even if you sing just the mukda of the song on see in April, it's still a great thing. So it is doing correct is more important than doing the full thing which is totally off. एक चार लाइन करने के लिए कितना it should not be a problem. Believe me, it should not be a problem. It's just about the focus and believe that you can do it.
Thank you.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Rambai, my problem is like Suresh Pai and Parthiban. I
I
will
know,
try
I
my
know, I
best.
know, I know. Even before you ask my question, I know that because see, I know the weakness of certain people here on top. But Ushavan, think of this as a way to crack your problem. Because I'll tell you one thing: once you crack this thing, I mean, even for Suresh Bhai, for all of the song you will see, you would have cracked not for just this song. The problem is not the song. So never try to change the song. Try to fix your problem on the tal. So see, गाना नहीं गाने को आता है बराबर. That's a problem of the song and the way you don't want. But on the tal, the problem is never the song. So before you start with the tal, you already know you can sing the song. So if you're not able to do it, right, it is about your mind trying to crack it. And believe me, वो बहुत important है. एक बार वो crack कर लिया ना आपने, उस किस्म के गाने जितने भी हैं आप फटाफट गा लेंगे क्योंकि आपको वो उसका टेक्निक समझ में आया कि इट इज़ रियली नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग. सो डोंट वरी, इट विल कम बट यू विल रियली स्पेंड सम टाइम. एंड उसके बाद सेकेंड गाने में आपको इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा because your mind has already cracked the problem. I mean, for Daksha the problem is the other way. See, Daksha को naturally beat relatively ठीक आता है, but her problem is her songs are not in tune. So she's not able to sing. So for her, the initial part, singing the song itself is a challenge for her because it doesn't sound in tune. So Ushaben, your is exactly it was. You sound really beautiful without the tabla. But if somebody is going to put a meter on it, it is like going all over the place. I mean, initially is 78 beats per minute, then 82 mein, then 83 mein. So you're not remaining at a constant beat में आपको like आपने figure out नहीं किया कि बिना तबला how to remain at 80 beats per minute even if tabla is not being played. So उसके लिए हाथ बहुत important है so that you see कि you won't sing like that. बीच में हाई स्पीड, बीच में लो स्पीड, बीच में हाई स्पीड. So you're singing good, but your speed is constantly slightly changing. 80 to 83 beats per minute, then 82, then 79. So you are kind of remaining in the range. So hence it is sounding good, but if you put it in a meter, it is not correct because it is like going all over the place. So don't worry about all of those things now. Take just the mukda and let's crack the mukda for when you come to the tal. But let's first make sure that we can sing because if we can't sing, then no point in going to the tal. So let's do the singing part first, and then when we come to the tal, we will talk. I will do my best to make sure you all sing good with the tal. Don't worry. Okay. All right, so let's this week, like today and tomorrow, let's make sure we can sing, or maybe Monday of next week, and then we'll focus only on tal because tal is really key. Because none of you have that experience with the tal. So 3 weeks we will spend with the tal. Okay. Any other question? Anybody? But believe me, once you sing, it will sound so beautiful because it will sound so different. Like everybody else singing with the karaoke, you will sound really because now you're singing good and you're singing in tal and it's like beautiful and you will enjoy singing with the tal, because you have figured out ki right time mein beat mein you're taking the gap and all this thing. It will come. Trust me, it will come. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, let's start then.
Yeah, let's start. Who is going to sing first? Ranjan man, you want to sing first?
Ramba, I'm going to try. Let me find out my tabla first, okay?
No, we are doing without tabla, remember. We want to make sure you can sing first.
Okay. सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर न जाना रे, वाके फिर न जाना रे, चम चमा चम चम, राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, ओ मोहे लेके जाना रे, cham chama cham cham. There's the mukra.
So Ranjan man, is not bad by the way.
Okay.
But उसमें finish चाहिए.
Okay.
Okay. If
कैसे
you
करे?
ना रे.
Okay.
ऐसा suddenly abruptly चाकू से कट के वैसा कट नहीं करना उसको.
अच्छा, सैया दिल में आना रे, रे. आके फिर न जाना रे, ओ आके फिर न जाना रे, चम चमा चम चम, राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, ओ मोहे लेके जाना रे, cham chama cham cham.
Yeah. So some places you may need to also cut. So make sure you're listening to the. See, this is where you listen to the original song very carefully. कि हर एक लाइन का हर एक पार्ट कैसे लिया है. Okay, it is not just the lyrics, how they have sung every word. It's very, very important. Okay, so this is good. Can you do the paragraph?
You mean mukda? Pura? Yeah. Just mukda.
One more paragraph.
Okay. So let's start from beginning.
Yeah. Okay.
सैया दिल में आना रे, फिर सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर न जाना रे, हुआ के फिर न जाना रे, चम चमा चम चम, राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, ओ मोहे लेके जाना रे, चम चमा चम चम, चांदनी रात होगी, तारों की बारात होगी, चांदनी रात होगी, तारों की बारात होगी, पहले पहले प्यार की पहली पहली रात होगी, पहले पहले प्यार की, पहली पहली रात होगी, खुशी खुशी गाएंगे हम गीत सुहाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर न जाना रे, ओ आके फिर न जाना रे, छम छमा छम छम.
Yeah, so Ranjan, I think this will come nice. So you have to make sure ki just listen to the in original. Maybe if you can do tomorrow, for example, with a clapping, at the same speed clapping. Na 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 na. So आप वो उसके साथ करोगे ना, so that what will happen is you will know कि एक क्लैप के साथ कैसे करना है. देन यू मैच योर क्लैपिंग विद द तबला
Okay,
एंड नाउ यू सिंग विद द हैंड अगेन,
okay.
बिकॉज आपका देन यू विल नॉट मिस द बीट और एनीथिंग. आवाज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो यू कैन डू अ
Do with my quiet.
या वो करना. ओके,
Hey,
बट आई
hey,
थिंक
hey.
yeah, so the good thing is you are singing the song well, which is the first and the most important thing. I think it has to be smoothened out nicely, but yeah, I think it's not bad. Yeah, yeah. Okay, who wants to go next? Usha Ben? Yeah. Yeah, Vinod bhai, you can go next. Like after Usha Ben.
मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे तो अंगना सजाऊंगी, दीप जला के दिवाली में मनाऊंगी। राम आएंगे तो अंगना सजाऊंगी, दीप जला के दिवाली में मनाऊंगी। मेरे जन्मों के सारे पाप मिट जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। That's it. Right?
Okay, yeah, see, I knew for sure that you will sing well. उसमें मेरे को doubt ही नहीं था. But so like I told you separately, जब भी हम when you were picking, इस गाने में मेरे को इसका beats change करना पड़ेगा, beats per minute, because the song is sung slowly, right? एक मिनट हम लिखते हैं. Na, 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 na. No, correct ही actually. Na, 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 na. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think you should be able to sing. Maybe we'll have to slightly adjust, but nothing much. Like I thought you'll have to reduce it, the speed a lot, but nahi. Okay.
Okay.
So Usha Ben, this will come nicely for you. This you're already singing nice. I don't have much suggestion. You can fine tune it, but I think for you the challenge is coming with the beat. So yeah, this song will sound nice. Like especially with this tabla, it will sound really good. Yeah, but if you want to try with Manjira, but if Manjira is going to confuse you, don't do it. This song is ideally for a good candidate for Manjira. If you want to try.
Yeah. I will
Yeah,
try with
okay.
Manjira, yeah. Because it's
You try
bhajan,
with
isn't
Manjira,
it?
but if that is confusing, don't try. But I think this song will, yeah, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को कि मंजीरा के साथ होगा. But if you think that is disturbing, don't do it.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
Yeah. But certainly with the tabla, you should be able to do it. You're singing already well. Yeah. Okay. Meenakshi, you want? Sorry, इसके पहले Vinod bhai, you want to go?
Yeah, okay.
Meenakshi, you can go next. Yeah.
तुम प्यार का सागर है, तुम प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तू प्यार का सागर है। घायल मन का पागल पंछी, उड़ने को बेकरार, उड़ने को बेकरार, पंख को आँख है गुंगली, जाना है सागर पार, जाना है सागर पार, अब तू ही उसे समझा, अब तू ही उसे समझा, राह भूलेंगे कहाँ से हम, राह भूलेंगे कहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है.
Yeah, Vinod bhai, that your your song is also sounding nice. Um, आपको भी सॉन्ग का लाइन सी स्टार्ट एंड लाइक एंड सारी लाइन के फिनिश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अच्छी तरह से फिनिश करना, मतलब यू कट नाइसली. ओके, मीनिंग तू प्यार का सागर है, तू, तो उसका जो एंड जो है ना, वो जैसा एंड होना चाहिए
Yeah,
वैसा एंड करना, सो दैट
okay.
इट इज अ कंट्रोल ऑन द ब्रीदिंग टू मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट ट्राई टू stop the breathing earlier than it is required. So make sure
Yes.
ki, and you're able to sing so much, so definitely you can extend that half a second, not even half a second, like a quarter second more. But that adds the beauty of the thing. और उसमें चले जाएंगे कहाँ से हम, वो तो जो एंड तक उसको खींचना, उसके बाद ही उसको छोड़ना.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, it is like original song. We are not trying to add. This is not our composition, or we are trying to do anything. We are just trying to duplicate what the original is. Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
the good thing is you really are able to sing nicely. It has to be polished, but nicely. और आपको भी ये ताल में ही is going to be a challenge for you. But it will come. But let's make sure that tomorrow it sounds even better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Meenakshi, yeah.
ओके नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी.
Namaste.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. हो ले लिया दिल, हाय मेरा दिल है, दिल लेकर मुझको ना बहलाना. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में। बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में। तुम मेरे हो तुम मेरे हो, आज बस इतना वादा करते जाना। चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम। इसके बाद 2
Yeah.
पैराग्राफ अभी भी बाकी है।
Right, right. So Meenakshi, it is not bad, but इसको you have to smoothen it out, significantly, because see, this is a Asha Bhosle song. So Asha Bhosle sings every word with emotion. वो सब power इसमें बहुत है. So I would suggest that listen to the original one and really do. इस गाने में इसका जो मुखड़ा में ना 2 लाइन है, which is the danger part, where you will go offbeat very easily, which is चुरा लिया नजर नहीं चुराना न न न न न न आन न न न न न न न न न न न न न। वो जो पार्ट है ना, वो जहाँ पर वो जो वर्ड्स न न न न न न न न न न न, ओ वो जो पार्ट है ना, वहाँ पे आपको बीट जाना बहुत ईजी है, बिकॉज यू एक्चुअली कंप्रेस्ड इट, यू प्रॉब्ली डिड नॉट रियलाइज इट, बट यू sang at a much faster, मतलब you probably sang at, if the rest were at 70 beats per minute, you sang that at 75 or 80 beats per minute, so you're already off the ताल. So ये आपको तकलीफ होने वाला है. So because you're, see, this is where na 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 na. So when you do it with the hand, you will make sure कि you're remaining in that, in the same beats that the previous song, I mean the previous part of the song is. So you try to learn that, doing that, because you all have to learn that thing. ताल self ताल करना, like you meter it yourself. You don't need avoid using a tabla to do that. So then when the tabla comes, you will be correct, because you are not, you have learned it the right way. Okay, ठीक है. But otherwise, the only suggestion I have is that overall you need to polish it quite a bit for this song, but it is not bad, and so I won't say it. So you should be able to do it nicely. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. कौन? Daksha, and then Bharti Ben, and then Divya. Yeah. Is there anybody who wants to sing and go? Then please let me know. Okay.
Hello everyone. Okay, my song is Ore Tal. ओरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, सूरज को धरती तरसे, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा, पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, प्यासी हर आत्मा। ओ मितवारे पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, बूंद छुपी किस बादल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में.
Daksha, you surprised me really. This song you sang really well.
Oh, Thank
Meaning not only singing was nice, but it of course it has to become smoother. But typically your songs, you have a difficulty in the song itself, but you're good in beats. But this one you surprised me. You sang nicely, even without anything. I bet like most lot of people who would have been nice to listen to just like that. And I was just measuring that your beats were also your without tal also you were able to maintain the same beat, so which is nice. Yeah. Okay. I think Bharti Ben, then Divya.
Okay. I changed my song, as you know. It is from the movie Nagin.
Did we change it from what is there in the list?
Yeah, you have.
So
It has been changed.
no, but it's changed in the list also.
ऊंची ऊंची दुनिया.
हाँ, वो तो नहीं, वो तो हो गया, चेंज हो गया ना ऑलरेडी.
हाँ हो गया है. Okay. I will try. ऊंची ऊंची दुनिया की दीवारें सैया तोड़ के मैं आई रे, तेरे लिए सारा जग छोड़ के. ऊंची ऊंची दुनिया की दीवारें सैया तोड़ के मैं आई रे, तेरे लिए सारा जग छोड़ के मैं आई रे, तेरे लिए सारा जग छोड़ के. यार मिला दिलदार मिला मुझे एक नया संसार मिला. यार मिला दिलदार मिला मुझे एक नया संसार मिला. चूमती बहार आई दिल को करार मिला. चूमती बहार आई दिल को करार मिला. जाने ना दूंगी मुख मोड़ के मैं आई रे, तेरे लिए सारा जग छोड़ के. ऊंची ऊंची दुनिया की दीवारें सैया तोड़ के मैं आई रे, तेरे लिए सारा जग छोड़ के.
Yeah, but when as I expected, for you, singing a song is not a problem. It is nice. It actually ये गाने का मुकड़ा सुना है, but मेरे को अंतरा में like I don't know exactly how it flows. So I'm assuming that is correct. But just make sure that it is correct because this is a song that I'm not very familiar with.
I think it is correct, yeah.
It's correct, right? Yeah. Okay. But it sounded nice. So if there was anything wrong from that point of view, I would have known. Yeah. So देखो इसमें ये beat में कैसा बैठता है. But we all know that all the song that is chosen fits in the beat. That I know. If you need to increase or decrease the speed of the beat, we'll do it. For 2-3 songs I have to do it, but the rest of the songs are fine.
Okay, so tomorrow we are doing the same again?
Same again. Try to do it better.
Okay.
Same means better.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I mean,
And then,
the
and
same.
in the following week with
Yeah. From Monday, from next Monday we will do the thing. But see, कोई भी गाने को ना deliver ठीक करना मतलब it is really a lot of work, because that is why when they do the recording it takes. Actually, I just heard in the KBC, if you see KBC, just 2-3 days ago, KBC, he was talking to this girl about Kai Ke Pan Banaras wala. So Amitabh was saying that the film shooting took 3 days. वो पान खा के थक गया वो. बिकॉज उस गाने को 3 दिन लग गया शूटिंग करने के लिए. वो बोलते रियली थक गया. सो किशोर दा, आई रिमेंबर किशोर दा's इंटरव्यू फॉर द सॉन्ग that they eventually so he started eating pan to get the sound of the भंग करंग. वो जो है वो गाने का जो ठीक तरह से वो आवाज़ आने के लिए उसने द इनिशियल पोर्शन में इस पे he ate. So when people like that spend so much time, imagine how much we will have to spend time. So when we are repeating, it is a good thing. The repeating means it should not sound the same tomorrow. it should sound better. That is, I mean, this is true for all of us, you know, because so figure out कि कहाँ पे आपका recording है ना, just yeah, recording चालू है. So make sure कि you're listening to the recording and correct it all the places you have to correct, because that is where the $1 million question is, that, you know, every small thing corrected. Okay. Because you are the best person. I mean, because you know the song, you have listened to the song so much. He'll listen to the original one, listen to your song, and correct it. Because this is the time. Because after starting next Monday, right, you won't have pretty much time for. इसके लिए time थोड़ा कम रहेगा, because now you are worried about the beat, you know, because you have to sing with the beat. So आपका ध्यान ये गाने से निकल के beat में आना start होगा. So this week make sure कि you perfect the song as much as possible. At least one paragraph. Okay. Second paragraph आ जाएगा. I'm never worried about the second paragraph, because most song, almost 90+% of the song, it is the same, you know, same tune. So I'm not concerned about it. Okay.
Welcome to your
Okay,
voicemail.
thank you.
You have a
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sure. No problem. Who wanted to go next? Savita. Yeah. Then Asha, and then Champa. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Divya. Oh, actually, Savita. Hey, Savita, can you hold? Because
go after Divya, right?
Yeah. Please go.
Oh.
Okay, Divya. Sorry, my Bulga.
Thank you. Namaskar, everybody.
ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा, हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ न आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छुपा जा रहा. ए तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, तू अमावास को कर दे पूनम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम. Thank you.
That's very good. So if you would have listened to her song, you were constantly either hitting the leg on the floor or
Yeah, I always do that. Tapping.
tapping. So that tapping is very important, you know, because that habit जो है, तो actual singing के time में so you can do it slowly so that it does not when the karaoke is there you won't know, or when the tabla is there you won't know anyway. But that is a good thing. Hey, Malik tere big, you know, this is the rate at which she was doing. Hey, Malik tere bande hum. तो ये हैबिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको डबल स्पीड में भी कर सकते हैं. है मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ना ना ना. सो ताल करने का बहुत सारा टेक्निक है, बट स्लो करने से क्या होता है कि देन यू आर नॉट रियली टू मच वरीड अबाउट डूइंग इट. सो इट इज़ नॉट स्लो, यू आर डूइंग लेस पर मिनट, उतना ही है. But that's good. I think it is sounding good. It will sound, the song has to sound better and better and better. You keep listening to the original one, listen to your record and just try, go line by line by line and correct all the things where you have to correct, where you have to breathe properly, where you have to end it properly, where you have to start में pronunciation, उसमें सब करो. Because I'll tell you, the amount of detail to which this Lata Mangeshkar has gone for pronunciation, it is really it is something that Shreya Ghoshal was recently telling in an Indian Idol. They really go extreme depth to make sure that the words are pronounced properly. So okay, Savita.
So I'm going to sing Kajra Mohabbat Wala. कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। आई हो कहाँ से गोरी आंखों में प्यार लेके, चढ़ती जवानी की ये पहली बहार लेके, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके, झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
Good. So I think the singing wise, not bad. It has to become smoother. इसमें the Vukra was good, but in the Antara you are still learning the lyric, because somewhere you are taking the tiny bit of a pause. So I realized that you're trying to read. So that will become smooth, because that is the lyrics. Once you know the lyrics, it will become smooth. इसमें इस गाने में स्पेसिफिकली एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ सविता ये है कि इस गाना एक नटखट टाइप गाना है. If you see, it was redone in Tanu Weds Mano, and it was sung by on screen sung by Kangana Ranaut in a drunken mode. So you already know the kind of the song it is, So ये जो गाना है ना, झुमका, बरेली, and all of these things are all very. So that has to come out in the voice. So that has to come out in the voice while you are maintaining singing, while you are maintaining the beat and everything. But वो गाने में क्या बोलना चाह रही है ना, वो voice में आना चाहिए वो, because that has to come in the voice, So otherwise it will be a perfect singing, but it will sound like okay, everything is fine, but there is no emotion in it. So इसमें emotion आना important है. सब just ध्यान रखना, because this song is एक standard emotion में नहीं गा सकता है इस song को. Okay, but yes, it will come out for you, come out nice for you. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You're going kind of यहाँ थोड़ा beats हो रहा है. Like I think it is mainly because you don't know the words and you're waiting, and then my finger just waiting, and then started again. But it will get fixed. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Who wants to go next? Oh, Champa Ben tha. And Jyoti Ben, you can go next. Yeah. After Champa Ben.
राम भाई मेरे से पहले आशा थी.
Oh, Asha, sorry. Yeah, wait, because उसके बाद हाँ.
Yeah, before me, Asha bin.
Okay, Asha, do you want to go first?
Yes, please.
Okay. Sorry, yeah.
No, it's okay.
Champa Ben, sorry.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिशतानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिशतानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी. निकल पड़े हैं खुली सड़क पर अपना सीना ताने, अपना सीना ताने. मंजिल कहाँ कहाँ रुकना है ऊपर वाला जाने, ऊपर वाला जाने। बढ़ते जाए हम सैलानी जैसे एक दुनिया बढ़ते जाए हम सैलानी जैसे एक दरिया तूफानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिशतानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी।
So Asha, the good thing is your diction and all is really nice. मतलब प्रोनाउंसिएशन का डिक्शन वगैरह सही है, बट मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप फास्टर स्पीड में गा रहे हो, सो इन द प्रोसेस यू आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ, बिकॉज इतना फास्ट नहीं है गाना। ओके,
I try to
इसीलिए अगर आप हाथ से बीट करोगे ना आपको ठीक होगा, मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पटलून इंग्लिस्तान, सो मेरे ख्याल से होगा स्लाइटली फास्टर बीट है आपका, but I think with the tabla probably it will get fixed.
Because I think I have to increase the tabla beats
हाँ
as well.
वो तो करूँगा मैं भैया, because this song needs a higher एक सेकेंड ना, just 1 second, let me note it down, because yeah higher, you need a change in speed. वो मैं I will do it and give it to you. I think after that it will become correct, because you naturally tend to do it, but once you have the tal, because then you can't go at a higher speed, you'll have to do it at the speed of the tal. So I think
Because last time I sang a little bit slow.
yeah,
Because I was
no,
going with
that
the
is
tal. I
because
was
the
going with the
tabla
tal.
is because the tabla is at a
Yes.
slow
And
speed. Don't worry,
so-
but I think it is good. And you are able to sing well, but I feel let's see how it sounds after with the tabla. Okay, all right, yeah, but I am pretty sure you should be able to do it.
Thank you.
Okay, now Champaben.
My song is from Chaya. इतना न मुझसे तू प्यार बड़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, कैसे किसी का सहारा बनूं कि मैं खुद बेघर बेचारा, इसलिए तुझसे मैं प्यार करूं कि तू एक बादल आवारा, जन्म जन्म से हूँ साथ तेरे, ये नाम मेरा जल की धारा, इतना न मुझसे तू प्यार बड़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, कैसे किसी का सहारा बनूं कि मैं खुद बेघर बेचारा, मुझे एक जगह आराम नहीं, रुक जाना मेरा काम नहीं, मुझे एक जगह आराम नहीं, रुक जाना मेरा काम नहीं, मेरा साथ कहाँ तक दोगी तुम, मैं देश विदेश का बंजारा, इतना न मुझसे तू प्यार बड़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, कैसे किसी का सहारा बनूं कि मैं खुद बेघर बेचारा, इसलिए तुझसे मैं प्यार करूं कि तू एक बादल आवारा, जन्म जन्म से हूँ साथ तेरे, हे नाम मेरा जल की धारा।
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize that I was not muted. Yeah, so Champapan, that was not bad. It's good, and I think it will become smoother with with time in this month. So hopefully you will also have a challenge with the beat. So hopefully you will crack it. ये गाना का क्या है, इसमें कहीं भी गैप नहीं है.
Yeah.
That is why you feel tired, because I've done the so you must have, I don't know if you remember, I've done this is Symphony 40 from Mozart. Tarara, tarara, tararara, tarara, 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 tararara. This is Symphony 40. Um, Dapaga, dapaba, dapabaga, garisa, sani, dapama. So this is a typical Symphony 40, and इसके लिए it is, so if you listen to the Symphony 40, it is like a train song. इतना ना मुझे से it's so beautiful, so fantastic composition. So आपको कहीं भी गैप नहीं है इसमें. So that is why now I remember why you're telling that you feel tired, because इसमें कहीं भी गैप नहीं है. You can't take a break anywhere. And but at the same time, the good thing is it is at the fixed gap. इतना ना मुझसे तो प्यार बड़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, जन्म जन्म से हो साथ तेरे के नाम में. So वो बीच में एक quickly you take a breath, and then the next beat, there's no music in the middle or anything like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. But it will be good. So I think now I can tell you for sure that you will be able to do it. You can do it comfortably. Beats, we'll see how it happens. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. So the song is sounding nice, by the way. It is not bad.
We are singing, what is this, 80 bits, the speed?
Yeah, don't get locked down to the 80 bits. If you are able to do it at 80, you do it at 80. If you want to increase or decrease, we can do it. Don't worry. But 80 and 82 में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. If you are able to do it in 80, we'll do it at 80. But if you want to make it, like for example, Asha Ben needs really to be increased to probably 120 or something like that. Now that is a big gap to fill. So वो change करेंगे. But don't get into this small change.
Yeah, it is kind of fast song, little bit.
Yeah. So देखता हूँ मैं actually, you know what? Let me write your. So let me put higher डाल के एक question डालता हूँ, so that I will know कि आपका भी check करना है मेरे को. Yeah, and so it's possible that I need to increase. Yeah. Okay, who is next? एक सेकंड ना, before you do that, मेरा मन में वो लग रहा है. ना 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 ना. इसलिए मुझसे मत करो कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, कैसे किसी का सहारा. See, it is you can fit it.
Okay.
So if you want, we can slightly make it higher, but nothing drastically like for Asha Ben needs a big shift. उतना नहीं है.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. ज्योति बहन. ओ रक्षा उसके बाद ना.
ओ हो आहा हा. आहा हा. ये देख के दिल जुमा ले प्यार ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल, सावन की घटा छाई. ये देख के दिल जुमा ले प्यार ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल. ऐसी तो मेरी तकदीर न थी, तुम सा जो कोई महबूब मिले. दिल आज खुशी से पागल है, दिल आज खुशी से पागल है. ए जान वफा तुम खूब मिले, ए जान वफा तुम खूब मिले. किले क्यों न बने पागल, क्या तुमने अता पाई. ये देख के दिल जुमा ले प्यार ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल.
Okay, not bad. Jyoti Ben, बट इसमें सिंस यू आप जो पहले का जो वो टाइनी लाइक आलाप टाइप जो है ना उसमें मेक श्योर यू लिसन टू द ओरिजिनल वन करेक्टली. इट इज ओ हो आ हा. उसके बाद जो है ना इट इज नॉट से इट डजंट साउंड सेम लाइक द फर्स्ट वन. इट इज डिफरेंट. ओ हो आ हा. फर्स्ट वन. द सेकंड वन. So that's how the second one started. Then उसके बाद फिर ये देख वो है. और हाँ, इसमें रफ़ी साहब का गाना का वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. ये ओपी नैयर का जो कंपोजिशन में इनका. सो ट्राई टू लिसन टू इट. इज एसपी बालासुब्रमण्यम ने उसको बहुत डिस्क्राइब किया है कि हाउ यू संग, हाउ कैन समबडी सिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट. So it is, yeah, try to do that if possible, because he's singing to Sharmila Tagore, right? So yeah, so he's sung with so much emotion. वो बोट ये हो रहा है, हिल रहा है and all that. So try to emulate the voice modulation required for this song. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. But I'm sure it will come nice. As Tal comes, we'll see how what happens. Raksha Ben?
मेरे नैना सावन भादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. मेरे नैना सावन भादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. बरसों बीत गए, हमको मिले बिछड़े. बिछुरी बन के गगन पे चमकी, बीते समय की रेखा. मैंने तुमको देखा, तड़प तड़प के इस बिरहन को आया चैन जरा सा. फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा.
Okay. So Raksha Ben, you're obviously singing nicely. This. So ये गाने को ताल में थोड़ा तकलीफ लाइक होने वाला है. मतलब you can sing it, but you will need to work really hard on this thing. But once you crack it, this song will sound extremely good. And so because क्योंकि क्या है कि इसमें हर नोट को बहुत देर से उसको खींच के रखते हैं ना. So from an audience perspective, they will be hearing your note going while the tabla loop is going, and then you are catching up with the next bit. Let me just think. ना सावन बादल.
स्लो करना पड़ेगा. स्लो करना पड़ेगा.
ये स्लो करना पड़ेगा, but the beat तो it's a 4/4 loop only. Clearly, I just wanted to be sure. Yeah, beat slow करना पड़ेगा, but beat तो वही है. Yeah, Shiv Ranjani is just absolutely classic. So good. ये आएगा, but you'll have to work a little, because especially where there is the alap and all, you have to be very You have to make sure that you're using the integral number of loops.
Okay.
Either one loop or two loop or jitna bhi chahiye, but not so you have to do it properly. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try my.
Oh, no, I'm sure you'll come. Like I'm sure. See, this is all this is what I was telling Bharti Ben earlier, that it's an opportunity to challenge yourself, and do it, and take the challenge and do it. Don't run away from it. हमने इनफ जितना सीखना है सब सीख लिया, बिकॉज अभी परफेक्ट सीख नहीं सकते हैं. So अभी it's time to really do it. Okay, who wants to go next? Bhakti Ben? Yeah.
Thank you, Rambhai.
Okay.
जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें मजबूर करे जीने के लिए सागर भी तरसते रहते हैं तेरे रूप का रस पीने के लिए जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें तस्वीर बनाए क्या तुझ पे लिखे कोई कविता. Sorry, I sang the wrong wording, so I'll start again. तस्वीर बनाए क्या कोई लिखे तुझ पे कविता रंगों छंदों में समाएगी इस तरह से इतनी सुंदरता एक धड़कन है तू दिल के लिए एक जान है तू जीने के लिए जीवन से भरी तेरी आंखें.
So Bhakti, when you're singing well, but there are certain places you need to correct it, huh? Meaning, इसका right in the beginning जो ना, so जीवन से भरी में जी बहुत ज़्यादा stretch नहीं है, because you'll be going out of the beat. जीवन से भरी तेरी जीवन से भरी नहीं है, वो आप stretch 2-3 बार करते हो, क्योंकि वो आप you'll go out of the beat. Okay, so जीवन से भर, yeah, you try that. I mean, you listen to the original one and try that, and if you can fit and you like to sing like that, it is fine. But I'm just trying to say that that might cause you a problem. But with the tal, see how it goes. Okay.
But overall, that was the tune.
Yeah, fine. इसमें क्या होता है कि paragraph में maybe when the tal is there, it will come correctly. But you are trying to rush in some places, in a couple of lines where you are trying to, meaning तस्वीर बनाए क्या कोई लिखे तुझ पे, उसमें कहाँ तो रिपीटेशन है, रंगों छंदों में समाएगी उसमें रंगों छंदों में 2 बार है. So don't cut short those kind of things. I'm not sure, but I felt as if you sang only once. So because वो कोई लाइन को लोग एक्शन करते हैं, कंपोजर नहीं किया, because of the meaning of the word and everything. So don't cut it. Do it the way it is. But otherwise, I think it will come out nice, for sure, and hopefully you'll be able to fit in the beat also. Okay.
I think my problem was I was again getting short of breath.
Yeah. All of these challenging things you have to meet, because Neto now it will not sound like perfect,
Yeah. No,
So
it will be fine. It just when I was practicing, it was fine. It just, I think, sometimes one of those evenings you get tired and all that.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. Who wanted to go next?
I think Indira Ben wants to go.
Indira Ben? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yes, Indira Ben. Yeah, Lata Ben, you can go next. Lata ji, after Indira Ben.
Thank you, Rambai.
Yeah.
मैली चादर ओढ़ की कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आऊं, मैली चादर ओढ़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आऊं, हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे, मन ही मन शर्माऊं, मैली चादर ओढ़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आऊं, मैली चादर ओढ़ के कैसे। तूने मुझको जग में भेजा, निर्मल देकर काया, आकर के संसार में मैंने इसको दाग लगाया, जन्म जन्म की मैली चादर कैसे दाग छुड़ाऊं, मैली चादर ओढ़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आऊं, मैली चादर ओढ़ के कैसे।
Okay, Indira Ben. Actually, unfortunately, I
No
can't.
words.
It sounded nice, but I really don't know the song at all. So मेरे को इसका idea नहीं है इस song का. But it sounded nice. Hopefully with the tal also it will be like this.
Slow version.
Yeah. So please listen to the recording and please listen to the original song and जो भी correct करना है करना. But मुझको comment करने के लिए वो नहीं है because I have not heard this song. I will later listen to it because I just want to make sure that you're singing correctly. But yeah, so please listen to the recording and correct whatever you say you need to correct. With the tal, let's see how it goes with the tal. Okay?
Okay,
Right?
thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Who was Lata Ben, right? Yeah. If you have already sung and you want to drop, you've got something going on, feel free to drop. But you can listen. It's always you learn by listening to others. But if you have to drop, if you have to do something else, please do it. Okay. So don't worry. You don't need to hang out. Yes, Lata Ben.
हे 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 साही तेरा हो, गा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो, कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, हे सान तेरा हो, गा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो, कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, हे सान तेरा हो, गा मुझ पर। तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, ओ तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने का
तुमने मुझको
भूलेंगे अब।
Sorry. Continue. No, because you started at a low pitch, Lata Ben. इसका जो अंतरा जो है ना, the pitch is pretty high. Yeah. तुमने मुझको
हंसना सिखाया, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे अब, आंसू का कहाँ हूँ, ये बहते हैं तो बहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, ये सामने तेरा होगा मुझ पर.
Yeah, actually, this is a Yaman song, right? It just came out nicely. I'm very happy to hear ki your voice without the harmonium. क्योंकि otherwise you are always constrained by the harmony. In as much as it is good, but also you get constrained by the way you can play, then you're singing to match with how you can play. So ये अच्छा है कि आपको दिल खोल के, अभी you are like a free bird, so you can sing the way you want to sing, and you're singing nicely, so ये गाना आपको अच्छा आ रहा है. Just have to make sure कि you fit it nicely in the tabla loop. But इसका अंतरा make sure कि I mean listen to the original one.
Yeah.
It is at a high pitch. It's at a higher pitch. But second time you will
तुमने
listen.
मुझको
Correct.
हंसना
Correct.
सिखाया,
Correct. Yeah.
तुमने मुझको यार.
वो क्या है, कभी कभी क्या एकदम आराम से गाते हैं ना, तो ऐसा लो पिच में आ जाते हैं, but that is not how it is. But it's good. This is going to sound really
The
nice.
song is on offbeat. It's
Correct.
on off.
Correct.
1, 2, 3, the third beat.
हाँ. But you will sing nicely. I'm pretty sure.
Let's hope.
Yeah. Okay. Who is left? Oh, okay, Chandan Man, yeah.
लता के बाद चंदन ही आती है.
हाँ, correct. That's true. That is true. Oh, by the way, Lata Ben, हमने actually, I'm sorry, actually, I'm just putting you on the spot. But many happy returns of the day. जन्मदिन का बहुत मुबारक हो. And आप कल नहीं थे, हम सभी लोगों ने आपके लिए विश किया वहाँ पर. लता जी, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ. हेलो, फ्रीज हो गया क्या? डोंट टेल मी. लता बहन, आप म्यूटेड है. हम सभी लोग आप लोगों को कल आपको मैं विश किया. आई एम श्योर चंदन मैन टोल्ड यू राइट देन, बट अभी सडनली याद आया, बोला चलो आपको.
राम भाई अभी तो बूढ़े हो गए.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
अभी तो बूढ़े हो गए, अभी क्या?
अरे हम सब, अरे वेलकम टू द क्लब. हम सब एक ही क्लब के हैं. So age is
अभी
age
तो
is
over
just
75.
no. See, age is just a number. I mean, it is. If you don't mind, it's okay.
Thank
You have to think about 57, not 75.
Yeah. So don't.
I always tell her, but she doesn't listen.
It is just a number. For a 90-year-old, 75 is pretty young. So don't. It is all. It's all in the mind.
I am young.
You are.
लता
Yeah.
बेन अभी तो हम सब जवान है. देखो अभी हम गाना गाते हैं तो जवानी हो गए ना.
Because if you tell you are old, then I'm scared. So I don't want to be scared.
Ram bhai, both of us are same, so don't worry. We are all the same. Both of us in the same age. Yeah.
मुझे हमेशा बोलती है मैं बूढ़ी हो गई.
नहीं.
हमेशा बोलती, मैं उसको इतना डांटती हूँ ना.
हाँ, correct.
क्यों ऐसा बोलती है?
हाँ, थोड़ा एक ऐसा जोश वाला गाना स्टार्ट करो, बदतमीज दिल, या बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, उस किस्म का गाना वगैरह गाओ थोड़ा, so that mind will be more young. So anyway,
इसलिए तो मैं
yeah,
गाती हूँ कि
yeah,
तुमने
yeah. Then
मुझे
happy
को
birthday
हौसला
and
दिलाया.
yeah,
Thank you
no
very much,
problem, no
Ram
problem.
bhai.
Okay, Chandan.
Yeah. Let me mute. Okay. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही. हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही. तुम है हमका हो संभाले तुम ही हमारे रखवाले तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं. तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं. तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं. मुखड़ा ही गाना है ना?
Yeah. One antara also.
Okay. Shall I start it again or?
You can now pick up from the antara, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
चंदा में तुम ही तो भरे हो चांदनी सूरज में उजाला तुम ही से ये गगन है मगन तुम ही तो दिए हो इस तारे भगवन ये जीवन तुम ही न सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं. तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं.
Very good. Chandan, this will sound nice. I don't know, maybe you have not thought, but like I feel this is probably another song that will sound nice with Manjira, right? Meaning, see, I was just playing here when you were singing. Na 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 na. It'll sound beautiful, very very nice. This is a very wonderful song for Manjira. I think it will sound nice. Yeah. Okay, but anyway.
I've been practicing with Manjira.
Yeah.
Manjira से करती हूँ.
Yeah. अच्छा है. Actually, this is good, and you're singing nice also. Okay. Who is left now then? Meenakshi? Yeah. Who else is left? Suresh Bhai and then Lata. Okay. Only two, right? Yeah. Okay, Meenakshi.
मेरा गुजराती सॉन्ग है.
Okay. Oh, yours is you're the only one with Gujarati.
Yeah. ओ चिंतु कोई मने रस्ते મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે. અરે આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. ओ चिंतु कोई मने रस्ते મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે.
अरे आपने तो कहिए कि दरिया सी मौज मान ऊपर थी कुदरत नी रेम छे फाटेला खिस्सानी आड़માં મૂકી છે મેં તો છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ फाटेला खिस्सानी आड़માં મૂકી છે મેં તો છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ એકલો બોય તો એ મેળામાં હોઉં એવું लाग्या करे છે મને રોજ તાળું વસાય નહીં એવડી પટારીમાં આપણો ખજાનો હેમ ખેમ છે અરે આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે.
So, Meenakshi, ma'am, it is sounding nice, but apologies, I really don't know the song, so I can't. But it is sounding nice. It's pretty clear that that will fit with the tal also. So you should be able to do it nicely. Okay. Yeah. So is this a very what do you call a popular song or something?
I think so.
You think so? Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. That's nice. So we have Suresh bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. जिंदगी देने वाले सुन तेरी दुनिया से दिल भर गया मैं यहाँ जीते जी मर गया जिंदगी देने वाले सुन तेरी दुनिया से दिल भर गया मैं यहाँ जीते जी मर गया जिंदगी देने वाले सुन रात कटती नहीं दिन गुजरता नहीं जख्म ऐसा दिया है कि भरता नहीं आँख वीरान है दिल परेशान है गम का सामान है जैसे जादू कोई कर गया जिंदगी देने वाले सुन. Thank you.
Suresh bhai, it is sounding really very, very nice. The one thing I'll tell you is practice with by clapping. Na 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 sing. So आप जैसे वो प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना, so you'll make sure कि hey Mahi, नच कुंदा है? Sorry, she's yeah, see, Mahi, hi. उसको I think बाहर बैठना है. Let me just 1 second. Huh? Mahi, give up. Come. Give up. Mahi, ताती ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಕೊಂಡೆ. Oh, I think my wife has come probably. Sorry, let me look at the camera. Oh, sorry. Just 1 second. My wife has come. She might jump the fence. Sorry, 1 second.
Lataben, belated happy birthday. I didn't
Sorry.
remember your date. Sorry.
So Suresh bhai, I think the song is coming out nice, but we have to make sure that you remain in the beat, throughout the song. नहीं तो So you will feel off and then you will go off track. Okay. So you try to sing. जिंदगी देने वाले सुन मेरा दुनिया से जी, वो जो आप वो करेंगे ना तो क्या रहेंगे कि you will make sure कि you are remaining at a constant speed, and that will help you when the tabla comes in. It will it will help you because see, the idea is to make sure कि your tempo remains the same throughout the song, even though the tempo is not being played. See, even though the tal is not being played, but you have to make sure that your mind is able to maintain the same speed. Okay, and uske liye you are pretty much correct, but I think if you use your hand, it will help you. Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. So we have one more left. So Lata, are you going to sing? Yeah. And Suresh, before Suresh bhai, before we this thing, I'm pretty sure you should be able to sing the song nicely. This one, because it's coming out nice. It's such a beautiful song. उसका अंतरा तो एकदम ही अफलातून है.
Very nice. Very
Yeah, it's so beautiful actually. Yeah. So don't miss it. Yeah.
beautiful words.
Yeah.
Thank you.
रात कटती नहीं, दिन गुजरता नहीं, ऐसा चकमदी. क्या लिखा है यार वो पोएट ने, जिसने भी लिखा है. रियली, आई मीन, absolutely mind-blowing writing of the song. Yeah. There is one Pakistani singer who has sung this song.
Ghulam Mohammed.
Ghulam Mohammed, is it? Oh my God! If you listen to him,
Yeah.
he tears your heart apart. I don't know how somebody can sing like that. I mean, it's such a high pitch. Just only 2 lines. Just 2 lines. वो बार बार गाता है वो. Oh my God. He's just incredible actually. कि इस गाने का दर्द उसके थ्रू मेरे को समझ में आया कि वो रियली उसका लिरिक्स का जो एम्फेसिस जो है ना, वो सिंगर के कारण मेरे को और भी ज़्यादा समझ में आया. So anyway, you know what? I'll find the link and send it in our group.
The lyrics are really, really good.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Lata, are you going to sing today?
Yeah.
Okay.
So mine is the Fool Kill.
Your volume is low for some reason.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
My volume is
Okay, fine. Yeah, no problem. Don't worry. It's significantly lower than everybody else. So
okay. Just let me check.
yeah.
Any better?
No, it's okay. Don't worry. I mean, it is low.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it's because. Any better? Any better?
No.
No.
It's okay. We can listen. Don't worry.
Okay.
We can listen.
Covering. Because I'm in a different place now.
Yeah. No problem. Don't worry.
Thank you. So, मेरा है फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में from
It's a
what's
good.
that movie? Yeah, Saraswati Chandra.
Yeah, Saraswati Chandra. Yeah.
फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है, फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है, प्रियतम मेरे मुझको लिखना, क्या ये तुम्हारे काबिल है, प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती, प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती, जो नहीं लेता हाथ तुम्हारा, पास जो तुम मेरे होती, फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, नींद तुम्हें
I mean, that was, singing was not bad. So it will, in the next month, it will get all better. For you, the tal can be a challenge, like, many others. So hopefully that doesn't become a problem. Because the same song that is sounding nice might sound really awful if it is not done properly with the tal. But at the same time, it will sound superb once you are able to do with the tal. So so let's hope that will happen. So yeah, make sure that you get a good grip of. Actually, the same thing I told Suresh Bhai also. Try to practice with the hand के thing. फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में. So that you will know कि उसका beat rate क्या है. So the song is done at a fixed speed. Hey, Mahi, it's okay, Kunda. Hey, Mahi, it's okay. Sorry, उसका बाहर जाने का time आ गया. I have to take her out. Yeah. So good. I think we are done. Mahi, Ingo, come, Mahi, Ingo, come. Sorry. So we are done. Is there any questions? Anything? So I'll send the recording later.
So Rambai, on the actual day, the program day, we are going to sing with the tabla?
Of course.
Okay.
I mean, what do you think? I mean,
नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा पता नहीं मैंने बोला ऐसे गाने का होगा
नहीं
तबला के साथ गाने
वैसा तो बहुत लोग गाते हैं अभी अपना we have to show them what we are different.
Okay.
Not different, what we have been learning.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rambhai.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Rambhai.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Lata Ben, many happy returns of the day, Lata Ben.
Yeah,
लता जी तो
बहुत
बिजी
busy है बहुत busy है